In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and use the Contact Form 7 database add-on in WordPress. We'll start with a brief introduction to both plugins, followed by a series of demos showcasing the use cases. You can skip to the specific section if you're already familiar with certain topics. So let's get started. Contact Form 7 is one of the most popular WordPress plugins for creating and managing forms. It allows you to build custom contact forms without any coding. However, it does not store form submissions. That's where the Contact Form 7 database add-on plugin comes in. This plugin captures and stores form submission in your database, allowing you to access them anytime. Now let's get started with the installations. First, let's install the Contact Form 7 plugin. For that, go to your WordPress web dashboard, navigate to Plugins, add new plugin, search for Contact Form 7. Click Install and then activate. By default, the plugin creates a basic contact form with fields for name, email, subject, and message. We can edit the form simply by editing the page. Edit the page, select the form, publish the changes, and then view the page. Great. The form is displayed without an issue. Now, let's test it by submitting a sample response. Yes, that's also work without an issue. Just a quick reminder, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Since Contact Form 7 doesn't store submissions, we need to install the Contact Form 7 database add-on to save form responses. For that, go to Plugins, add new plugin, search for CFDB7, which stands for Contact Form Database 7. Install and activate the plugin. That's it. No additional setup required. Your form submissions will now be stored in the database. After a successful installation, a new menu called Contact Form will appear. Let's take a look what we have here. Navigate to Contact Forms in the dashboard. You will see a list of forms and the submission count. Initially, the submission count is 0 because we are yet to submit the responses after installing the Contact Form 7 database add-on. Let's submit another form entry and check again the submissions. Refresh the contact form page and you will see the count increases to 1. To check further, click on the form name to view captured responses in the table format with the default fields like name, email, subject, message, and submission date. On this page, we have options like view responses individually, delete them, or download them as a CSV. Click Export CSV button to export them as a CSV file. If no rows are selected, all responses will be downloaded. The premium add-ons offers additional formats. Check out the extension menu for more details. The downloaded CSV file contains all form fields along with some additional fields added by the plugin. Some users confuse the status column with the email read-unread indicator. However, it actually indicates which responses have been read or unread. What if we add a new field to the existing form? Will it be captured? Let's check it out. Edit the form and add a new text area field We can name it as custom message. Save the form and refresh the page. Submit a new response. The new field is also captured in the database, but it won't appear in the dashboard overview. That's actually a feature, not a bug. However, all fields, including the custom ones, will be included in both the detail view and the exported file. By default, only administrators can access the form responses. To grant access to other user roles, I'm going to use a plugin called Members. Let's install and activate the Members plugin. After successful activation, go to the Members menu, select the role. In this case, I want my editors to have access. Scroll down and click Custom. Click checkbox next to CF DB7_access and click Update to save. Now, with the change, editors also can view and download responses. What happens if you uninstall the plugin? This is something mostly asked in the support forum. If you uninstall, the contact forms menu disappears from the dashboard. However, the data remains in your database. To test this, reinstall and activate the plugin. You will see that previous responses are still there. If you want to permanently delete the responses, you need to do it manually before installing. Alternatively, access phpMyAdmin, locate the db7_forms table, and drop the table to erase all stored data. That's it for the tutorial. You have learned how to install, configure, and manage form submission with Contact Form 7 database add-on. If you got questions, leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.